players na kapag na-release sila?
Um, na, na-proud ako dun sa come out, ay sa result nung game kasi nung yung instruction nila coach, kailangan hindi umabot sa point na ganito na panindigan naman namin. And we were able to see the potential players from the bench coming to this game. Nakita niyo naman, meron silang, may talent din sila. Kaya thankful din na naging maganda yung start namin para sa latter part ay makapasok sila sa game.
Chang, gano'n lang kalaking bagay ito na naka-momentum kayo bago yung big game next week against Creamline?
Tingin ko malaking bagay para ma-boost yung confidence ng team namin. Kasi may mga games kami na downer talaga. To-test yung character ng mga players, mental state of mind. So mahirap talaga maging atleta kung tutuusin. Kasi yung game na to, kumaga parte ng buhay namin, trabaho. Kaya kapag hindi kami nagiging satisfied dun sa mga games, talagang nasa-stress yung mga, hindi lang coaches, hindi lang yung mga management, but yung players talaga. Kasi we're the ones who's performing inside eh. So kami in control. So every time na hindi masasatisfy yung coaches namin sa performance namin, even us, nasa-shake yung confidence. So pakahirap yung parang, paano ka babangon? Kaya ngayon, naging maganda yung resulta para mas ganahan sa susunod na game, maging confident kami sa coming to the next game on Tuesday to go against Creamline. Yun.
Yun nga na-mention yung coach and sa next game niya is Creamline. Paano lang din makakatulong dito? Back-to-back wins into that big game where known kayo for really going up against and giving the fight to Creamline.
Syempre, it's a good boost. Sabi ko nga kanina, it's a good boost. But then again, we have to prepare. We have to really prepare for this, not just physically but also mentally. So, syempre, defending champions yun. Hindi kami pwedeng magpatumpik-tumpik kahit sinong kalaban. And hopefully, maganda yung laro nila sa next game.
I think answer ko na siya kanina.
Ano na lang, thoughts mo na lang facing Creamline ngayon? Iba yung Creamline ngayon.
Actually, we're just taking each day one at a time, each game one at a time. We're not like super pressured na we're going against the champion teams. We have to focus on our side also. Kasi confidence starts within. So sarili mo. If you were able to have the confidence na hindi ka talaga magpapatalo, it will be infectious sa mga kasama mo. Pag yun na naging successful kami sa part na yon, I think yung collective skills that we have in our team will be a huge factor to get that game against Creamline.
Coach, on tactics naman, kasi parang this Creamline team will be a bit different in yung moving parts nila, medyo may crucial na nawala. I guess how will you adjust na lang din how you're looking at this matchup considering the pieces you have and yung current lineup with Creamline?
Syempre, yung team, sa sarili muna namin kami mag-focus kasi syempre hindi pa perfect yung ginagalaw. Madami ring adjustment just like Creamline. May adjustments din kami. And may mga circumstance din kami inaayos, inorganize, yung problema. But we're trying to make it work. And then, siguro, syempre pag-aralan din namin kung paano gumagalaw si Creamline for the past few games in order for us to understand how we make this team move and make, para palaban kami sa pagdating ng Tuesday. So yun lang naman. Parehas naman kami nagpe-prepare sa isa't isa, one game at a time for sure.